Hi, my name is Nate Haugh, owner-operator of Bink Industries. I attended the Fab School back in 2012. Some cool projects we worked at Bink Industries. We were 2015 through 2017. We were working with Odi Bakshi's, developing parts for S14s. 2018, we got to work with Mike Essa with his BMW E46, developing trailing arm for the rear. We worked with Alec Conadale this year, building his Pro 1 car. And then we just finished building Matt Haugen's R34 Skyline. There's always something different coming through the shop. We've got everything from streetcar stuff to high-level drifting, road racing, off-road. I mean, just in our shop right now, as of today, we've got an R34 Skyline we're doing a GTR conversion on. We've got a pre-runner we're doing a whole new fuel system on. We've got a S13 that we're doing a bunch of turbo set, a whole new turbo setup. When we see a problem at the track, we see issues, and then we're able to go back to the shop, dissect what happened, come up with new solutions, and then move forward so that we don't see repeat issues. Once I was able to go through the Fab School, I feel like I really gained about 10 years worth of knowledge in a very short period of time. When you're getting told when you walk into the classroom that you're only going to be there for in the classroom for an hour or two, and we were right off the bat welding. I'm like, oh yeah, this is for me.